Spectrum Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, using Verizon's extensive network infrastructure. When you experience call issues with Spectrum Mobile, the problems typically stem from several key areas that we can systematically diagnose. Call issues typically fall into four main diagnostic areas. First, SIM card problems, including physical damage or compatibility issues. Second, network configuration problems like incorrect APN settings. Third, device-related factors such as software bugs or hardware issues. And fourth, account and service problems like billing or plan restrictions. Starting with SIM card diagnosis, check for physical damage or dirt on the gold contacts. Ensure the SIM is properly inserted according to your device's specifications. Verify the SIM card is activated and compatible with modern VoLTE protocols, which are now standard for voice calls. Proper SIM card insertion is crucial. Use the SIM ejection tool to remove the tray, place the SIM card in the correct orientation, and reinsert the tray firmly. For dual SIM devices, ensure you're using the correct slot for your primary line. Network configuration issues are common culprits. Check that your access point name or APN settings are correct for Spectrum Mobile. Ensure VoLTE is enabled in your device settings, as this is required for modern voice calls. Verify your device is set to automatically select the network. VoLTE or Voice over LTE must be enabled for calls to work properly on modern networks. In your cellular settings, look for VoLTE, HD voice, or advanced calling options and ensure they are turned on. This setting is critical for call functionality. Device-related factors include outdated software or operating systems, hardware malfunctions in the antenna or radio components, and incompatible device models. Account issues can include suspended service due to billing problems, plan limitations, or problems from porting your number from a previous carrier. Start your diagnosis with these immediate steps. First, restart your device to clear any temporary software glitches. Check your signal strength to ensure you have adequate network coverage. Verify that airplane mode is disabled, as this blocks all wireless communications. Finally, check that call-bearing features are not accidentally activated in your phone settings. By systematically checking these four key areas, SIM card status, network configuration, device factors, and account issues, along with performing immediate diagnostic steps, you can identify the root cause of most Spectrum Mobile call problems and determine the appropriate solution path. When experiencing call issues with Spectrum Mobile, there are several systematic troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem quickly and effectively. The first and most common solution is SIM card troubleshooting. Start by powering off your device completely, then carefully remove the SIM card from its tray. Clean the gold contacts gently with a soft cloth, then reinsert the SIM card firmly into the tray. If the problem persists, test the SIM card in another compatible device to determine if the issue is with the card or your phone. If SIM card troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to reset your network settings and update your carrier configuration. Reset your network settings to default values. This clears any corrupted network configurations that might be preventing calls from connecting properly. Make sure to enable VoLTE in your device settings. Voice over LTE is essential for high-quality calls on modern networks and is required for proper functionality with Spectrum Mobile. Now, let's look at the exciting future trends that will make troubleshooting even easier and more effective. The telecommunications industry is rapidly evolving with new technologies that promise to reduce call issues and simplify troubleshooting processes. eSIM technology is revolutionizing mobile connectivity. Unlike physical SIM cards, eSIMs are embedded directly into devices, eliminating many physical SIM-related issues entirely. Artificial intelligence is also transforming customer support with smart diagnostic tools that can identify and resolve issues automatically. AI-powered diagnostic tools can now detect problems before they affect your calls, while 5G standalone networks provide more reliable connections than ever before. Mobile apps are becoming more sophisticated, offering one-click diagnostic tools and simplified troubleshooting processes that anyone can use. The future of mobile troubleshooting lies in enhanced self-service capabilities through intelligent mobile applications. If you've tried these troubleshooting steps and issues persist, Don't hesitate to contact Spectrum Mobile customer service for professional assistance and support.